Josephine, 3.9. Kingston, 3.1. Ferndale, 4.6. Rockville, 5.3. Kitzmiller, 2.9. 1. 3.6. Meadville, 4.2. Franklin, 4.8. Ridgeway, 2.6. Cooksburg, 3.3. Parker, 4.5. St. Charles, 3.2. Weather message for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Fayette Ridges and Westmoreland Ridges. Hazard type: heavy wet snow. Snow accumulations 8 to 14 inches. Snow beginning late Tuesday afternoon. Period of most intense snow 10 p.m. Tuesday to 10 a.m. Wednesday. Snow ending Wednesday evening. Impacts: hazardous travel conditions are expected due to reduced visibility and snow accumulation. Wet snow may bring down trees and power lines. Winds northeast 5 to 15 miles per hour. Weather message for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Fayette west of Chestnut Ridge and Westmoreland west of Chestnut Ridge. Snow accumulations 4 to 6 inches. Snow beginning, rain will mix, and change to snow around sunset Tuesday. Period of most intense snow overnight Tuesday. Snow ending late Wednesday afternoon. Impacts: hazardous travel conditions are expected due to snow-covered roads. Winds northeast 5 to 15 miles per hour. A winter weather advisory for snow means that snowfall will cause travel difficulties.
Weather Bulletin. The National Weather Service has issued a test severe thunderstorm warning in conjunction with Pennsylvania Severe Weather Awareness Week for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Fayette, Armstrong, Washington, Allegheny, Westmoreland, Beaver, Indiana, Butler, Jefferson, Greene, Venango, Forest, Clarion, Mercer and Lawrence counties until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The test severe thunderstorm warning has been issued by the National Weather Service office in Pittsburgh. This test warning is to test readiness in schools, hospitals, factories, businesses, and homes during Pennsylvania's annual Severe Weather Awareness Week. If this had been an actual warning, this message would contain information on the threatened areas, as well as precautions to take during the severe weather, such as: for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Again, this has been a test severe thunderstorm warning, issued for Pennsylvania's annual Severe Weather Awareness Week. No actual severe weather is occurring at this time. This has been only a test.